Action.
Hi, it's Ms. Hennon here to help you get ready for tomorrow's dissection. So today we want to talk a little bit about equipment and safety and where you'll find the things that you need to do the lab. First of all, I keep paper towels in a drawer in each lab station on one side or the other. You'll also need a cloth towel, and so those will be down here. Clean ones on the outside, and then after they're dirty, we'll put them in the little box in the back. Some other equipment and where you'll find it. We will use safety goggles for this. Just in case something splashes out of your specimen, we don't want it to get into your eyes. You may need string or a ruler, and you would want to wear some gloves when you're doing your dissection. On this tray, I'll roll these in and out each day. We have pins that you're going to use to mark the different parts of your dissection. And then these are T-pins, and we'll talk about them in a little bit. Also on this tray, you want to pick up a dissecting tray, and you want to put a couple paper towels in there before you start. Lastly, you want to pick up a tray of tools for your table. We'll just put all the tools back in there at the end of the day and return them to the cart. That is the end of scene 1. Because I don't expect you know all the parts of the pig yet, I have some fine books to guide you. The red book has the muscles in it, and we'll be using that first. You want to use pages 11 to 14. And I tried to tab these last just so that you could find them more easily. Your lab will be guided by Fred's book. See, there's his name on the corner. Okay? It will tell you what page to refer to find different things. For instance, page 22 has the guide as to how you want to make your initial cuts to open up your specimen. The third book is simply a reference, and it has pictures in it in some cases, because they're colored, that are better than the other 2 books. At the end of the day, we'll simply take the books, close them, stick them in these little cubby holes, and they'll be available for tomorrow. Scene 2.
Action.
This is scene 3. We want to talk a little bit about how to use your scalpel safely. First of all, when you hold it, you want to either hold it, pinch between your thumb and first finger, or for a little additional pressure, put your finger on the top. This really doesn't work very well. So again, pinching it between your thumb and first finger or finger on top. If you're a real surgeon, you probably would never put your finger on the top because you don't want to accidentally cut through too many layers of your patient. But since our patient is a dead pig, it's okay to add a little additional pressure. Other things, safety at your table. Please don't use this as a pointer, like look over here, because your partner might be going look over here and then you come and that would be bad. If the blade gets rusty, let me know and we will simply replace it. Again, our 2 kinds of pins, colored heads to mark the different parts, T-pins to hold your sample open. In terms of safety, make sure you remove all the pins at the end of the day so you don't stick yourself accidentally as you're cleaning up or taking your pig out the next day. That is the end of scene 3.
Action.
Now we need to talk about cleaning up at the end of the day. Your pig will go inside 1 or 2 bags if it's rather large that has your name and your table number on it. We'll put the pig in 1 bag, put the other bag over the top of it, and then look for a pail that has your hour and your table number. That'll simply make it easier to find your specimen back tomorrow. And then we'll simply place them in here and I will store them for the day. Extra pieces. If during the lab or at the end of the day there are pieces of skin or muscle that you want to throw away, they would go in here. And then I will take them and throw them away after each hour, each day, so that the custodians don't need to do that. When it's time to clean up your pan, throw away your towels. You know where the garbage can is. This will be filled with bleach water. And simply rinse your tray, separate out the blue part, and then they'll just dry overnight in these little drying bins. In addition, you want to clean the top of your table. So we'll simply have each group come and get some table cleaner, get a cloth towel so that it's clean for the next group to use. Your tools will simply go back on the cart. As we talked about before, your books go back underneath here. And this should probably take you about 10 minutes. So watch the clock so that you have time to clean up. The last thing I want to show you is how to take the gloves off in a sterile manner. The key with doing this is simply to grab the end and pull your hand out, turning the glove inside out. Then I grab this glove in my other hand, hold it in the middle, and turn them inside out this way. So whatever was on my gloves on the outside is now contained in the inside kind of baggy thing. And then I take a shot at the garbage can and it goes right in. That is the end. Thank you for watching our video.